Welcome to Homemade Creations. This is Lynn. Join me as we do this faux shiplap. It is really simple and really easy. Follow along. I am just going to do a faux stain with Java brown chalk paint and water, and then I'm going to take the cleaning wipes and wipe it off, and so it'll give me kind of that faux look for the wooden boards. Squirt some on there, and I'm just using my mist bottle, and I'm going to mist it. Get it getting wet. I'm using this brush. I do want to get my brush wet a little bit. There we go. And then I'm just going to go back and forth, get it painted in here, and then I go back with those cleaning wipes, wipe it off. That kind of is what really gives it that stained wooden look. I'm just going to take like a baby wipe and start working. And you can see as I'm pulling that off, it also allows me to spread that paint slash faux stain around and get it in those spots. I'll hold this up so you can see maybe a little bit better about how I'm doing the sides here. We're going to take this tobacco stick and make our lines here. And I'm just using a pencil. I'm just going to go down the board with the pencil. Kind of see where it is there. You could do 3 or 4 boards here, whichever you prefer. Then I'm going to take some brown Java paint that I've squirted some water with. And I'm going to need a little more water there. So it's kind of a diluted brown Java, and I'm just going to go right down the line. And I'm okay if it's not completely straight, because after all, your boards aren't going to be completely straight when you work them out. So I'm going to go right down the line. I hope you've enjoyed this really simple process and will give it a try. Please leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. If you've not already, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It really does help my channel to grow. Also, if you've not already, please give me a thumbs up if you liked this video. Thanks a lot, everyone, and we'll see you next time.